Your willpower is not a fixed personality trait. It's a finite biological resource that behaves exactly a muscle. Today, we're unpacking the neuroscience of self, control and revealing how to hack your brain to overcome procrastination and break bad habits for good. Willpower is housed in the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for complex decision making and impulse regulation. When you force yourself to avoid a sugary snack or finish a difficult project, you're actively consuming glucose in this region. Much a bicep during a workout, this mental energy depletes over the course of the day, leading to decision fatigue. This is why you're far more likely to abandon your diet or make impulsive choices at 8:00 p.m. than at 8:00 a.m. Surprisingly, willpower is also highly susceptible to your physiological state. Research shows that when your blood sugar drops, your prefrontal cortex loses its grip on your impulses. However, the most counterintuitive part of the science involves your internal beliefs. Studies from Stanford University demonstrate that people who view willpower as an unlimited resource perform better under stress than those who believe it's easily exhausted. Your mindset changes how your brain processes fatigue. You might be wondering, if it's a finite resource, how do high achievers stay disciplined all day long? The answer lies in the automation of habits. By converting intentional choices into subconscious routines, you bypass the need for active willpower entirely, saving your mental fuel for truly novel challenges. Willpower is a biological engine that you can strengthen through rest, nutrition, and most importantly, by transforming effort into routine. Conserve your energy by automating your life, and treat your focus as a limited but renewable asset. If you found this insight into your brain helpful, hit that button and subscribe for more science-backed strategies to optimize your daily life.